Can you see who views your Facebook profile? Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook, then click on your profile. If you click on three dots, you won't find any option to view who viewed your Facebook profile. As you'll find all these options, there is no view profile option. If your account is professional, you simply click on your profile and go to professional dashboard. In here, you can just see view insights. As on top, click on insight and you can just see how many views and not who viewed. And to answer, can you see who views your Facebook profile? The answer is no. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.